Hey, good afternoon. I want to show you 8368 Cypress Trace. This is a brand new Holbert home in Northwest Lakeland, and it's on a huge lot. Brand new home, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a study and a bonus room in the back. So good size. Now this home is like 98% complete. So they are polishing up the final touches right now as we speak. But I wanted just to show you this awesome elevation of the wood look, the natural wood look, and the bricks. You've got all custom pavers coming in. This is a gated community. This is the Nicole Marie, a little over 3,100 square feet. Again, a little raw look here because we're not 100% complete. But you can see when you first walk in, you've got the wood beam ceilings, nice and open design, all set up for a pool if you wanted to do that. It's a good open design with the kitchen. It's got a large island area for a farm table over there, pantry. And then you've got the double glass doors with the upgraded chandeliers, very modern looking. So when you first walk in, there's an office or study right here. All luxury vinyl plank flooring, crown molding. So we'll take you over to the master bedroom side first. Now this has got tray ceilings, lots of natural light, and they're working on setting the tub in here. It's got double walk-in closets. So you'll see the shelving. So this is nice custom, like a vinyl shelving, which is not your typical racks. And then you're setting the tub in here. So you've got double sinks with quartz. It's going to be a separate tub and a nice size walk-in shower. That tub will be in about 30 minutes probably. So we're going to take you this way to the other side of the home. So if you can see the rear yard here, you've got no rear neighbors, huge pavered deck. Love the wood ceilings and the modern ceiling fans. There's a little sink over there. And as you can see, just a nice size yard. So going to the back of the house, this is the bonus room. This is the only room that's going to have carpet in it. And it's got the tray ceilings with the lights, double windows, great bonus room for kids. You know, could be a multitude of things. Could be a media room. And then this is we're gonna call this bedroom number 4. Closet, they all have the double doors. This is where you'll put a farm table right here. Linen closet, and then this is gonna be our 3rd bath. Again, all quartz countertops. This has got a nice shower with the deluxe door. So it's really a triple split plan because you've got your other 2 bedrooms and full bath down the hall here. But again, we first walked in the home. Now this is going to be an inside laundry room area, which has got additional cabinetry. But also check this out. It goes all the way around here, which is really pretty, and the high ceilings make it so nice. Lots of natural light. You'd probably never even have to turn a light on in here. You'd put blinds here, but maybe in the evening, of course. But there's another additional closet behind here, and here's all your electronic equipment wiring inside the house. Easy to get to. So walking down the hall, it's got a little mudroom area, and then the 3-car garage side entry with epoxy flooring. And then toward the back of the house, you've got, the left side of the house, you've got the other 2-bedroom and 1 bath. This is an additional linen closet. So this is ideal for kids to have their own space back here. Parents may like that, kids may like that. It's all preference. And then this is the other bedroom, couple windows here, closet, and then the other full bathroom with a tub shower combination, nice modern tile. This one's gonna be hitting the market within 24 hours. So I'd love to tell you more about it. We're gonna have stainless steel appliances in it, and 2-year builder warranty on it, and lots more to talk about on this. So give me a call or shoot me a text, 863-647-8600. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.